Hey everybody, it's Jason Flurry. I'm back with another market update for you. And since this is the month of February, the month of love, I just kind of want to discuss some of the love that's been going on Wall Street because the markets have been going crazy. We have seen runs here in consecutive days, unlike really what we've experienced since the late 90s. And if you look at the overall run over the last few months, you have to go back 25 years to find something similar. So it's really a good time and it's an exciting time to be watching everything. But let's take a look and see, is that positive mood, is it really warranted? Or is this maybe just a setup for something that would be disappointing later? One good thing that I've seen lately is the market breadth, the gains, the new highs that are happening in the market are beginning to spread beyond the financials and just a few industries out to other industries. And so we're seeing optimism sort of grow and spread across the market, and that's a very good sign. The energy that's pushing this market forward seems to want to really run, and used to hear it referred to as animal spirits. So it's just kind of that wild nature, and there's a lot of excitement, a lot of enthusiasm pushing the market higher. And although the mood is positive, I don't know that maybe it's completely warranted for the long term, because anytime you have this kind of growth this fast, you're just kind of due for a little pause in the market. So I'm not really expecting the market to pull back very significantly like a lot of people were back in January. But I do think we might see a little bit of pause in the action. A lot of people have said, oh, well, everybody's just kind of drinking the Trump rally sort of Kool-Aid there. But if you look a little bit deeper, it might not be Kool-Aid in those cups. It might be Gatorade in those cups, because I think the electrolytes that are there could maybe take this from being a sprint into being more of a marathon of growth as we go forward. So that's very encouraging. The U.S. economy is strong. We're seeing a lot of growth in a lot of different areas. The overseas markets are kind of a mixed bag, but they usually are. But the growth that's happening in the U.S. is causing those averages to increase as well. And if banks continue, the financial engine of America continues to grow, that could put gas in the tank really to see global expansion and global growth in a lot of places. So based on that, what should we be doing right now? The hardest thing to do when markets are moving this fast in either direction is to stay focused on your goals. And so that's really what I want to encourage you to do this time, is don't worry about the ups and downs of the market. Of course, it's fun to watch things go up, but usually when people are feeling very greedy, that's a time to be afraid, and when people are afraid, that's a time to be greedy. In this case, I don't know that really there's too much greed or there's too much fear out there anywhere. We're still seeing some disconnections between the VIX index that I talked about in a previous message and where the market highs are. But really there just seems to be a lot of cash on the sideline. A lot of people are worried about maybe missing this market, and they're seeing that the changes that are coming with deregulation and tax cuts and things like that really could push this market forward, and they don't want to miss out. So if we see things back up, it's very likely that we will see some of that cash come in off the sideline to support the current levels where we are today. So don't really worry about the news and the ups and downs of the day-to-day market so much. Just try to remain focused on your goals, and that will help you to steer through the good times and the bad times. We're going to be reviewing everything, we're going to be rebalancing everything, and helping you make sure you're staying on the right course. But another thing I want to recommend for you this time, since this is the month of love, look around and see who is it that's in your life or that you come into contact with who maybe just doesn't get a lot of recognition, who doesn't receive a lot of praise, and do something special for that person between now and the end of the month. It doesn't have to be anything big. Just love on them a little bit and show them that you care. Do something special for them. I guarantee you that will be one of the best investments that you can make this month. So I really hope that you take advantage of it. Well, I'll continue to keep an eye on everything, and until next time, remember to count your blessings as much as you count your money, because that's the only way I know to be happy and to stay happy. Hope you're well, and I look forward to talking to you next time.